Actually, this rock is what we call a kitchen drawer. We've got this piece here made. We have a knife. We can go to our kitchen drawer and say we need a cutting tool. We can get our little stone out and take off a nice flake. And these are throwaway flakes. They're not much good for making anything, but they're extremely sharp. In fact, if you get some of the bigger flakes that I cut off here, there's one here that this edge right here is pretty deadly. In fact, some eye surgery is done with obsidian. Scalpels are made because this sharpens when it's knocked out like this, and it goes to the last molecule, and I think the sharpest they can make surgical steel is 4 molecules thick. So it's extremely sharp. Has no problem cutting anything. And tools like this could be used just as a tool as is. Take a hammerstone, dull the edge where you're hanging onto it. You got yourself a wonderful cutting tool that only takes a few seconds to make, whereas this probably took me 15 minutes.